Hello and a very warm welcome back to KGC Engineering once again, and to day 5 of our mini restoration project. And if you've followed over the last few videos, you will have seen that we've literally taken this car from more or less a complete vehicle, slowly stripping everything off it. Now today's task is to strip out as much of the engine bay as possible, with the hope of being able to take the engine out possibly tomorrow, or even if we get enough time today, we may even look at getting it out today, but we'll have to see how we go. But chances are it'll be on the next video, and it'll be a dedicated video to getting the engine out. So without further ado, I'll set it up on the time lapse and you'll be able to see everything that happens. Well, we've now got pretty much most things out of the engine bay. It might not look like it, because the engine's obviously still in there, as is the radiator, the wiper motor over there, and a few other bits and pieces. But we've got the main bits out. So we've got the wiring looms come out, the brake servos come out, because that was here. We've got the inlet manifold and all the air filter equipment that eventually came out. That took quite a while. The exhaust manifold's there, that's just resting there at the moment. So the plan now is to clear everything away, because it's all just currently in a big pile on the floor, and get it all packed up and labelled and that, because the next stage really is to hoik the engine out. We've still got quite a bit of disconnecting to do, but I'll go through that in tomorrow's, well, in the next video, which I'll be filming tomorrow, because it's a big job really, and I've not yet actually found a really good video on how to take the engine out of a Mini. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to do a really good video for it tomorrow, because I'm going to try and get the radiator's going to come out with the engine as well. So basically all this lump from here all the way along to the gearbox there, it's all going to come out in one great big lump tomorrow. Excuse me, well, in the next video, because it's just easier than trying to disconnect and get into awkward places. We've got some really awkward places to get into, because the bottom of the radiator comes down here and it joins on down here, but the engine mounts are there, so it's all part of the same thing. So rather than trying to undo 3 or 4 bolts which you can't actually see, I'm just going to undo the bolts which I can do, because we can get underneath the car to undo the other bits. Still got a little bit of wiring to undo and a few other bits and pieces, but I can go through all of that in the next video. So there we have it. So that's the end of today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the time-lapse sequence. It seemed a bit easier to do it as a time-lapse, because there's so many things in there. To have done it on a full video, it would have taken the best part of 3 or 4 hours, and that's very boring for you to see. But being on time-lapse, you'll be able to see generally how it all sort of comes apart. I mean, it's all sensible stuff. You just got to try and work out the best way it goes. Some parts did break as they came out of there, but luckily we should be able to get replacements for them. So all it remains for me to say today is thank you very much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Also, please do hit the subscribe button, because the next video, like I said a minute ago, is going to be taking the engine out of the Mini, and I've not yet found another one, a really good one, on YouTube yet. So hopefully it's going to be a really interesting and really good video for you. So until next time, happy classic motoring.